Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. For those of you who are new, hi, welcome to the family. While you're here, make sure to definitely press that subscribe button down below. Definitely like this video if you do like it, and comment anything. I like to respond to comments. I love to know what you guys thinking. I love to want to know what you guys want to see me unbox next. So today is a very special unboxing, and I just want to jump right into it. I received a birthday gift from somebody that is actually very special to me, and they purchased me this bag that I have been wanting for some time now. So let's just get right into it. The bag comes in a regular brown box. They purchased it from Nordstrom. The bag that I'm going to be unboxing today is the YSL LOULOU bag in the size medium. That's the exact size that I wanted. I did not want the small little toy. I have a lot of other smaller bags, and I did not want the large because I'm not really a big handbag type of female. So I showed you the box. I had to take it out because it was a lot. But when you took it out, it came in this black dust bag, which is actually a drawstring right here on the side. And on the front of it, I'll bring it closer, it says Saint Laurent, or aka YSL, whichever one you want to call it, whichever one you prefer. So I don't want this video to be too long, so let's get right into it. You take it out the dust bag, and so gorgeous. There she is. Look at her. She's absolutely gorgeous. You guys see this? I'm just bring it in close so you can see the details. This is the exact color that I wanted. So this person really paid attention to, they paid attention to me. It's the black with the black YSL hardware. It's same with the straps. We're gonna take off all of this in a second. But just initially, the bag is so soft. It's so like squishy. I believe this is calfskin leather, and it's so, sorry, so you can really see it. It's so soft. So the bag, and this is what I love. It's the little things. It's the details for me, honey. The details. I love how it all comes together into this beautiful Y shape, YSL. I love little things like this. So let's take off everything. So beautiful. I don't even know how to, hopefully I'll do this the right way. That one off, and we'll take off that tissue paper. So look at, oh, this is her. Oh, she's beautiful. So it has the black chain, and then on these leather tabs right here, it says Saint Laurent Paris on both of them. I'll bring it closer so you can see it, but I absolutely love it. She's so pretty. I know with this bag, you can wear it a lot of ways. I can drop it and wear it crossbody, but I think this bag is just beautiful as a nice shoulder bag. So let's show you the inside. So the tag is here. This bag was $21.90. I think there was definitely a price increase. I believe it used to be a little bit cheaper. It comes stuffed. Let me take this tissue paper out. When I buy luxury bags that it comes with tissue paper, I always keep it just so it can help, like the bag can keep the same shape. Put those up front, and then that was from the back, this was the front. Oh, it's spacious. All right, so there are 3 compartments. There is this really big front compartment. There's this zip. There's this compartment that zips right here, which is spacious, and inside that's where you have the little booklet. This or that. Let's see what's in here. So just, oh, certificates to show that your bag, that this bag is actually real. Something else in here. And the number for the bag. To prove that this is definitely real. This is not a fake Saint Laurent bag. This is as authentic as they come. And then, so you have the back. So you have the front big pocket, this middle part, and then you have this back compartment. And then there's another zip on the back pocket. And that's actually spacious too. And here, it has the code in that back pocket as well. So I think I'm gonna keep this. So I'm gonna keep this all in the back pocket. But she's beautiful. It's a magnetic closure. There's a little protective film. I'm not gonna remove that. It's not bothering me. It's on the inside. The longer I can go without scratches, the better, right? And then right here at the tabs, it has Saint Laurent all around. I overall love this YSL bag, this LOULOU bag. It's beautiful. I knew I wanted it for a while, but I never saw it in person. So now seeing it, I want more in different colors. She's really gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have one? Are you thinking about getting one? If so, what color? I know they have cream, they have black, they have white. I know this season they're coming out with a velvet one. I saw that in black and blue, but I still love this one more. I think she's beautiful. It's so soft. So yeah, let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like it? Do you love her? What should we name her? Do you want to see a what fits inside of this bag video? Please definitely let me know. Once again, if you made it to this part of the video, I am so glad. I hope that you love this video. I absolutely love making it for you guys. Do not forget to definitely press that subscribe button down below. Press that bell button to get notified. I have weekly videos of luxury and so much more that I post. Let me know, comment, like, and share this video with anybody you know who may be thinking about this. Thank you guys a lot. Love you all.